All right, welcome to the solution walkthrough for the table assignment. Remember, the objective here was to add a table visual in the customer detail report to show customer key, full name, orders, and revenue, limit it to just the top 100 customers by orders, and apply some conditional formatting rules. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. I'm going to head to Insert, Table, not a matrix this time, just a standard table. Kind of resize a little bit here. Then we're just going to add the columns to our table, starting with customer key, which is right here. I'll add a space for readability. Next up, we want the customer full name. You can use either version here. We have the calculated column version or the original. Original will do just fine. And now we needed those two metrics, right? Total orders as orders and total revenue as revenue. And that should do it for our basic build options here. We've got all four columns that we need. Next up, let's drill into format and apply some styling here. This is optional, but I'm actually going to apply the same kind of preset of none that we did with our matrix in the exec summary. And then I'd also like to change the column headers to that bold font, Seago UI bold, just to make them pop just like we did before. Now your next assignment was to use conditional formatting to add light gray data bars to the order column and a white to blue color scale to revenue. So we'll find those again all the way down in the cell elements menu here. And why don't we start with orders? We're going to add or enable data bars. Click FX to update. And we only have positive values. Let's do that same light gray. Negative we can either ignore, or if you want to be consistent, just add a white here. Press OK. That should do the trick. We've got our nice gray data bars on our orders column. You can resize or drag things a little bit here. And last conditional formatting rule is on revenue. We're going to use a background color and a white to blue scale here. So this one's up to you based on your preference. I'm going to use a white for the minimum and that same kind of bright blue that we've been using throughout the report, 20 E2D7, that kind of bright teal for the max, and press OK. There we go. That looks good. Got a nice color scale on revenue as well. And those are the two conditional formatting rules we needed to add. Next up, we need to add a top N filter to this visual. That's going to be based on either the customer key or the full name. So we need to think about this for a little bit. Now, we know that customer keys are unique, right? Every customer has their own unique ID. Full name, it's possible that we only have unique full names in the dataset, but it's also possible that we have duplicate full names. So if we want to be as careful as possible, we should apply this top N filter to the unique customer key column here. So let's go ahead and change the filter type to top N and show the top 100 customer keys by total orders. There it is. Drag it into by value. Click apply. There we go. So now we just have a list of 100 customers instead of everyone in the entire data set. Now we need to add a chart title to kind of indicate this. So let's add the title. We're going to call it Top 100 Customers. And let's use our standard title format here, Seago UI, size 10. Centered over the visual. That looks good. And then I believe the last step was just to sort this descending by orders. So let's resize a little bit just to give these columns some room to breathe. And that should do it. That's your assignment on table visuals.